Good morning, class prep. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, students, today is our English class. So, first of all, we will read sight words. THIS this, THAT that, IS is, YOU, WEVE, COME come, FOR for, MAKE make, HAVE have, HAS has, TAKE take, NO no, O and on, A and D and, THE the, MY my, As you all know that we were doing prepositions, so again we'll practice the same. Where is the carrot? The carrot is on the chair. Where is an apple? An apple is in the box. Where is the pumpkin? The pumpkin is under the chair. The meaning of O and on is open. The meaning of I and N is under. The meaning of U and D E are under is नीचे. Now we'll do a rhyme. Miss Polly had a dolly. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to be quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked at the door with a rat-tat-tat. He looked at Dolly and he shook his head. And he said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning with a bill, bill, bill. Again, I have shown some pictures. In these pictures, you can clear your concept of prepositions. In the first picture, the ball is O and on. The highlighting preposition is O and on the table. In the next picture, the ball is UNDER under the chair. In the next picture, the ball is in the box. In, on, under. Han is sitting in the basket. I'm sorry. Bird is sitting on the branch of a tree. A ball is there under the chair. Now today students, what you have to do? आज आपको क्या करना है? Now today you have to do your homework also in notebook. So a sheet I have prepared for you of prepositions. Now in the first picture, where is bird? A bird is O and on. So in this blank space you have to write O and on. In second picture, where is the boy? A boy is O and on a chair. So in the blank space you have to write O and on. Next picture, where is the cow? A cow is under the tree. Under means नीचे. And where is the pan? A pan is in the box. So this is your homework, and today we have finished with our topic prepositions. I hope you have understood this topic nicely. Do your work in your notebook properly in proper lines and enjoy learning. Thanks for listening. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Good day.